Welcome. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to insert a table into your Microsoft Word document in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. Click to place your cursor exactly where you want the table to appear in the document. At the top of the screen, click on the Insert tab in the ribbon menu. In the Tables group, click on the Table button. A grid will appear. Move your mouse over it to highlight the number of rows and columns you want. For example, select 3 by 4 for 3 columns and 4 rows. Click once you've selected your size. The table will now appear in your document. You can start typing into the cells immediately. To add rows or columns, right-click a cell and choose Insert. To style the table, use the Table Design tab to change borders, shading, and colors. And just like that, you've inserted a table into your Word document. If you enjoyed this quick guide, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips.